I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack. In our June issue, you can read all about the incredible growth Junior's Cheesecakes and Desserts has experienced over the past couple of years. Today, I'm speaking with Junior's owner, Alan Rosen, about the company's product development and focus on quality. Thanks for being with me today, Alan.
Thank you for having me, and thank you for featuring us in June. We look forward to it.
How have you accommodated such massive growth while still maintaining the quality of your product that your customers expect?
Well, we were fortunate that over the past 12 to 18 months, we had built a facility and bought a facility that was big enough to handle this growth. We just needed to fill it with more equipment and more great people. And we managed to grow 52% last year, and this year to date, we're probably up 30%. And we're happy to say we have not missed an order.
That's awesome to hear. So Junior's production process, it does feature some manual processes. How are you ensuring you're able to hire and retain workers to do those hands-on processes?
Well, there are lots of hands-on, old school baking processes that we will not do away with, no matter how busy we get. So what we've managed to do is, one, we're very competitive, in the marketplace with wages and benefits, et cetera. But then what we really do is we support our staff, we train, we coach. There's nobody who has a willingness to learn that we can't teach. So we've just taken that model to heart. It's the same thing we do in our restaurants, and we've applied it to our bakery operations. We are continuously coaching, teaching, mentoring, helping people get better and letting them grow within our company. And people seem to not want to leave, which is great.
That's great to hear. So what is guiding product development at Junior's as you look to new products and innovations?
Well, you see, I laugh because it's basically me and a pastry chef, and we look on Instagram like everyone else. We look in the supermarket like anyone else, and imitation is the highest form of flattery. We take ideas and mashups and we put them together, like our layer cake cheesecakes. We have a new item coming out in the fall, which I can't tell you about yet, which is a mashup of us and another big brand. It's just, we're constantly tasting as if we were in a restaurant developing a new recipe. We'll make one. We'll sit around the table, we'll taste, we'll test, we'll make improvements, we'll make another one, and we just go from there. And then we try and take that single recipe and move it into something that can be repeated day in and day out. And it's just a process of love and tasting. And just as if you were cooking for your friends and family, you don't want to serve anyone anything that hasn't been perfected yet.
Well, thank you so much, Alan, for inviting us into your facility and speaking with me today about everything you guys are doing.
It's our pleasure. Thank you.